Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untitled White here, back again with another sneaker mystery box episode. This mystery box is a massive one, guys. $2,350 from Soul Supremacy, originators of the sneaker mystery box, the beater box. So it should be packed full of dope sneakers and a bunch of grails, hopefully. I mean, $2,350, that's a lot of money for mystery sneakers. And that is all in this box right here, and we will be getting into that really quick. But before we do, I want to give a huge shout out to the sponsor of today's episode, Helix. And Helix is a premium mattress and bedding brand that is customized to fit your needs, guys. And what's cool and convenient about it is that it ships directly to your door. And I can personally attest to this because I got my own Helix mattress a couple months ago and it shipped directly to my door in Hawaii. And I gotta say, it has been one of the best experiences sleeping like in my life. Like, I've never had a bed this great before. Because what happens is I took the Helix sleep quiz online, which paired me with my perfect mattress to fit my sleeping needs. They ask you questions about your preferred sleeping position, relief, and feel, so it truly is designed to fit your own individual needs. And the mattress that me and my wife were paired with based off of that sleep quiz was the king size Helix Midnight Luxe mattress. And if it makes you nervous for something that you haven't tried, Helix actually has a 100-night sleep trial, so you get 3 months to make sure that you love it. If you don't, they'll actually pick it up for you and you'll get a full refund. It really was that easy, and it's super convenient that it ships directly to your door. I mean, me and my wife have like a smaller car, and usually if you want a king size mattress, it's already like the full size mattress, you know, it's super big. How the heck are you gonna fit that into like a small car? And if you want to get it delivered, you have to pay like an arm and a leg, and it usually takes weeks for them to get somebody out there to your house. It's just a big mess, man. So it's very cool that they're able to ship something like that directly to your door, so you guys don't need to go through the hassle of like trying to pick it up, schedule deliveries, and like have to wait around for all of that. And lastly, and most importantly, in terms of quality of sleep, I gotta say this has been one of the best experiences of my life. Like, if you guys think about it, we're actually sleeping for 1/3 of our life, and if we're spending that much time sleeping, you want to have the best sleep possible. And so I really think it is important to invest in a good mattress. Before, I was investing in like these cheapo mattresses that were like, you know, not very good. I was waking up with like aches and pains and stuff, but now with the Helix, I haven't woke up with like any back pain or like neck pain or anything like in the last 2 months since I've got the mattress. So it's been a very, very cool thing to see. So if you guys want to start off your 2022 right, you definitely want to invest in a new Helix mattress today. And the best part about all of this is Helix is actually hooking you guys up today. Because if you guys use that link in the description or go to helixsleep.com/untied, you will actually get $200 off your order plus 2 free pillows, guys. Very cool deal over there. So make sure you guys use that link or go to helixsleep.com/untied. Do it now, get a new mattress, change your sleeping life forever. Anyway, let's get into the mystery box now. $2,350. Let's see what we got in here today. Ooh, and we're gonna start it off with this one over here. No loose shoes in here, so that's a good thing. First one that we got is a box that everybody loves. It's a pair of Kobe's over here. Kobe 7, nice, size 11. This is my size, and actually the 7s are one of my favorite Kobe models of all time. Okay, Galaxies. Oh, wow, these might actually be better than the Galaxies. I think these are called the Kobe 7 either home or away sneakers. I can't remember exactly, but this colorway, guys, I mean, look at this. Black and gold sneaker, dude. You cannot go wrong with this thing. Very, very clean. And of course, you can't be talking about Kobe's without talking about the fact that the Kobe market is a very interesting one because, you know, even though we are about, I think it's been over a year now since Kobe's like passing and stuff, it really is kind of hard to sell, to be honest. And because this is a size 11, I might end up keeping this one. I'm not sure. But you guys can check it out with me up close. This thing is fire. Unfortunately, I am in the process of getting a new overhead camera, so you're gonna have to bear with me on this. I have to show it to you guys in this beautiful 4K though. But I mean, check that out. It is a worn sneaker, it appears. You can check out the bottoms over there. Slightly worn, but overall, man, this thing is a beauty, dude. And you can't go wrong with Kobe 7s. Like, I don't know if it's just me, but the 7 model was always super sick in my opinion. Like 7, 8 actually, I think I really like both of those. So this is very cool to see in hand. And that is a great way to start off the box. Next one out, this is a random box. Vans off the wall, and that's something you see in a mystery box very often. Vans Skate High Pro size 9. Oh, I just saw a Supreme logo over here too, so I guess this is a collaboration with Supreme. This one, oof, I don't even know, man. This is a very interesting one. Where's the Supreme branding even on this? It's like non-existent. What the heck? There isn't like any Supreme branding on here at all, it looks like. I mean, you guys can check this out. It has the star pattern, which I mean Supreme is pretty well known for when they're collabing with shoes. They use that a lot. It is in worn condition, all suede upper, and I just saw on the back heel over there, you guys can actually see that it does have a Supreme like Vans collaboration logo on the back heel. Bottoms do look slightly worn on here as well. So I don't know what the value of this is, man. Most of the time you can get a new pair of Vans for like 50 or 60 bucks, so it's very hard to make like money on Vans unless they're a very unique collab, and I don't think this one is gonna be that much. If it was a Fear of God Vans, then yeah, those go for quite a bit of money, but Supreme kind of fell off recently in terms of resale, so I don't think this is going for too much. Oh no. As soon as I say that, I see another Vans box over here, and this one is like ripped up and stuff too. Size 9.5 Era Pro, so this is the low model, also in that Supreme box again. And for the colorway, oh man, okay, well, this one I actually am familiar with. It has that Supreme branding right there on the midsole, you can see, and it's like that faded Supreme look, so right around the R, it actually fades out over there. Anytime you get a Supreme collab shoe in the red colorways, it usually goes for a bit more, so this one might have a decent value. I would say that this one's probably going for more than those Skate High Pros, but still, again, as I mentioned, Supreme, not at the level it used to be. It might end up trending back up eventually, but for now, this one, I can't see this going for too much money either. This is an interesting box. I have not seen this at all before. Filling pieces, what is this? Filling pieces, Zero Haze Dark Gray 40. What the heck is this? Handcrafted in Portugal. What? Please tell me this is a replacement box. What do we have here? Dude, I am so confused. I can't be the only one confused here, right? What the heck are we looking at? I have not heard of Filling Pieces before. If this is a very hype brand, it is completely over my head, but this looks horrible in my opinion, guys. Oof, this is a dad shoe if I've ever seen one, and I am a dad now, and I wouldn't even wear this. It looks comfortable, but in terms of like design and stuff, I'm not a big fan, guys. I'd rather have a Yeezy 700 or something. It's closer to that. You can check it out close up though. It's like a nylon pattern over the top. Kind of looks like a golf shoe leather as well in the back heel. I guess in terms of like materials, it's not that bad, but overall, man, I don't know if I would want to wear this. It is worn too. I wonder how much value there is on this. Honestly, I'm taken back. I have not heard of this before, but it must be hyped, right? It has a dust bag and everything in here. I don't know, but it will be on the website if you guys do want to cop. Untitledhawaii.com, check it out. All right, next up, Yeezy 350 box, something that we do know. Size 8, and let's see what we got. Yo, okay, a pair of Beluga 2.0s. This is actually interesting to see in a mystery box because I think we are about a week or two away from another restock of the Beluga V1s. Those are going to be a full reflective version apparently now, and this is probably going to be like the biggest Yeezy 350 drop to date, they said. So seeing the 2.0s, it really makes you wonder, like, is the price gonna go up or down of these because, you know, they are dropping that new colorway very soon. Yo, this one might be in dead stock condition? That would be wild. You know, I don't know. You guys gotta help me out with this one. You can check it out up close. Beluga V2. This was actually one of my favorite original 350 colorways. It's just very easy to wear. You guys can see over there on the bottom with that boost, I don't see very much dirt or anything on there, like, at all. So I do think this one might be new, which is insane. You usually don't see Beluga 2.0s in dead stock condition anymore because they are 3 or 4 years old now. But if it is a DS, that is very great to see. Would make sense in a 2350 box as well. We have 3 shoes left in here. Next up, wow, this is a lot of Supreme in this one. See the Supreme logo again over here. Air Force 1 High, size 9. Okay, and this is actually a pretty big shoe, guys. This one came out a while ago, I think in 2014, somewhere around there. It is surprisingly a pretty well reselling shoe. I don't really like the Air Force 1 highs. I'm not really big on Air Force in general. I feel like I don't match them well. But the highs especially, it feels too chunky to me, especially with that sole, dude. This is a huge sole. But check it out up close. This one has a lot of Supreme branding on it. You can see on the back heel, there is Supreme embroidered onto the back. Also, there's a strap over here that does say Supreme World Famous. And on the tongue, you guys can see that Supreme logo again over here. So a lot of Supreme branding. And as I mentioned, red Supremes always go for a little bit more. So that one should have good value in this box. Surprise, surprise, I see something that looks very similar to that last box. And it is. We got Supreme on the side again. Size 9, Air Force 1 High Supreme. Is it the same colorway, dude? Ugh, and they gave us the white pair as well. You know, I don't know how to feel about this because I don't know what the demand for this is anymore. Like we were mentioning with the Vans, Supreme is not the same brand that it used to be, guys. There are some people that collect Supreme like religiously still, and these are pretty iconic, but still, I don't know how good the hype is for these, and that's probably why they're in a beater box now. Check this one out. This is a white Air Force 1 though. Same branding on the back, says Supreme. Also has that world famous strap as we mentioned earlier. And this one is worn dirty bottoms too. I'm really interested to see what the prices of these are, dude. You guys can see it on the screen over here in real time, but for me, I do all of the calculations at the end, so who knows. I'm thinking these go for pretty good money though. Last time I checked, 400 or 500 bucks. If it's around there, that's good value. All right, the last shoe of this box. This one, Nike swoosh box. It is an off-white collab, size 9.5, the 10 collection, Nike Blazer mid. Dang, this is a this is a nice shoe. This is the original, the 10 Blazer, guys. And I'm kind of bummed out because like 2 of these shoes in this box are coming after like tragic events in the sneaker world, right? We saw that Kobe in the first shoe, and you know how he passed. And then recently, Virgil, who created the off-white like Nike brand, he just recently passed away from cancer as well. So we started the box with like a tragic shoe, you know, kind of. And we're ending the box with, you know, kind of the same thing. So, man, opening sneakers are weird after like somebody passes, you know, like if they originally created that shoe, there's just like a weird vibe about it. Anyway, I don't want to get too morbid about it. You guys know what it is. I want to stay more positive with it because Virgil did leave us with some absolutely fire pieces, and this is one that I was very happy about from the original 10 collection. You guys can check it out over here. Blazer mid, one of the best ones from that 10 drop. I actually had a personal pair a while back. This thing is just beautiful. The bottoms are pretty dirty, but the uppers look like they're taken care of pretty well. I do hope that they have the extra laces in here, which I don't think they do, unfortunately. I actually swapped my laces out for those green and orange. Makes it pop a little bit more. Also does not have the zip tie, unfortunately, so that's a bummer, but still, the shoe itself, very nice, and you know, the story behind it now. These things just keep going up in price just because, you know, they're probably never going to restock these just to honor Virgil. So very interesting box over here, bunch of Supreme. We got the random Kobe that we never see in boxes anymore, and we ended it with an off-white. So that is actually that for this mystery box. $23.50. That off-white and I think that Kobe, just those 2 shoes alone, are probably super good value. That probably covers up most of that price. Supremes, you know, they're still gonna move no matter what. You just gotta find the right price point for those. So overall, I think this was a good box. I am very confused about that other fitting piece issue. That was probably the most random thing we've seen all year in a sneaker mystery box, but who knows, maybe it's worth $1 million. You can pray. You can pray. If you guys do want to buy any of those shoes, though, they will be available at untitledhawaii.com. Check it out. It is for members only. If you want to become a member, there's a join button down below. Hit join. It does give you all the directions once you join, so that's how you guys can actually purchase these shoes for way under the prices that you guys saw up here. So shout out to the members that end up copying these shoes. Love you guys. Thank you for supporting by buying shoes from the channel. And I hope you guys enjoyed the sneaker mystery box. Very cool and interesting mystery box. Stuff that we don't normally see. Love that a lot. And if you guys loved it, don't forget to hit that like button before you guys leave. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. And until next time, guys, stay humble, stay blessed, take care. And I will see you on the next episode. Aloha. Shoot!